Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energies, for your love energies, guys. And thank you guys for supporting me. We are really happy for your support, and we are nearing 10k subscribers, guys. Thanks a lot for your support and your comments, guys. Very positive comments we get every day. I'm really thankful to you all, guys, for helping me develop this channel. So we'll start the reading now for your daily energies, Aquarius. These are the cards. I'll be picking one card for your career situation, guys, and one card for your relationship. So these are for your daily energies. This is for your career situation and this is for your relationship. We will turn the cards as we proceed, guys. And I'll be picking one card from the Rumi Oracle deck, guys. So that will be your general guidance in your situation. So this is the card. We'll open that card at last, guys. So we'll start with your daily energies, Aquarius. The Moon in reverse, Ace of Pentacles, 10 of Cups. So with these cards, guys, in your situation, you are seeing some new beginning. This may relate to your career situation or your personal life, guys. So some new beginning is coming towards you, something in which you may be able to get great profits or prosperity, abundance in your life today. Some kind of venture, something which is making you really lucky today, and you are feeling happy and contentment. That sense of fulfillment is there in your heart because of your situation. You are tasting success and happiness because of that. You have that emotional contentment and fulfillment today, that sense of peace and achievement in your situation today, guys. Things are going in a very positive way. So this may again this may relate to your career situation or your personal life with this person, and you are reaping the rewards for your efforts, whatever efforts that you did till now. So all that efforts are giving the results now, and you are happy for it. That is what I see. And maybe for some of you, you are thinking about something, some decision you need to make or some path you need to take. So you are silent today, or you want to be in silence to get that clarity in your situation. Something is stressing you maybe because of that decision, so you are maintaining that silence today. Or it may be some expectations you would have had for something, maybe the way things are supposed to turn out, and you may see that it is surely coming towards you, that choice, or some, maybe it may be a material possession, or it may be a person who is definitely coming towards you. So you are just waiting for things to manifest or come towards you. So this may be waiting energy here for you guys, Aquarius. That is what I see with these cards. So this person may be waiting for you, or you may be waiting for them to come towards you, or you may be waiting for the right time to go towards them. That is what I see. So some kind of waiting energy is there. Let us see what is this card for your career situation, guys. King of Swords in reverse. So with this card, guys, in your situation today, you may have people who are not totally truthful to you. Someone may have some bad intentions. Maybe it may be because of jealousy, or it may be just because of the way they want to compete with you. They want to do well, they want to do better than you. That may be the reason they are trying to compete with you, and for some of you it may be even jealousy, guys. So you have to be careful. These people may do anything to harm you, so you just need to be really careful. And for your relationship, it's Page of Swords in reverse. So with this card, you may be making some unexpected decisions today, guys. Something unforeseen in your situation. Simply, maybe this person is coming with some unexpected announcement, or something may change the way you see your situation. Maybe for some of you, you may fall sick, or this person may fall sick. So things change drastically in your situation, guys. That is what I see with this card. So what is the card for your guidance? So this card may or may not relate to your personal situation, guys, but this is based on poet Rumi's poetry. So those poems have that deepest love towards God and towards the person you love. So the basis of these poetry is love. So it captures the essence of love in each and every card, and it comes with the poetry. So let us see what is the card here, guys, for us. The all-encompassing hand. So this oracle comes with a special message, guys, Aquarius, for you all. So you may feel that there may be a situation or circumstance in your life. You feel that you are unable to solve it. So this card comes with the reassurance that there is nothing beyond the reach of grace. So when there is divine grace, things will just fall into place and your situation will be resolved. So all you need to do is ask for help. Pray, have that intention in yourself to receive help, guys. So you will be getting that divine guidance. That is what this card is about. So when you ask for that divine help within your heart of hearts, when you pray, or it may be something even in your work situation, so whatever it is a time for you to have faith in that higher self, higher power, God or universe, whatever you call it, to resolve the situation, and everything you will see that will fall into place, guys, for the better. So that is what this card is about, Aquarius, and that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, Aquarius. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.